To all my Diamond crew, hi, how you guys doing? This is Diamond Rose with another 3 set of jobs that I have found this morning. And 2 of them will be coming from 5-star call centers, and they're based out in North Carolina. And this first position is a product support, set work hours. They have set work hours for you. And it's a land, you have to have land experience and skills in land. And then you have the benefits will be paid training, and they have a full description of what the job highlights will be qualifications, previous 1 year product support or troubleshooting experience required, prior 1 year call center experience preferred, knowledge of CRM systems a plus, tech savvy, previous remote work from home experience a plus, quick learner and able to work independently, type 35 words per minute accurately, strong phone and verbal communication skills along with active listening. A background check applicable with state and federal laws is required. Equipment provided option. Must have verified internet service. Secure, reliable, and dedicated high-speed internet is required to support business needs and establish dedicated works area, desk, chair, electrical outlet, direct LAN connection. Company will provide equipment. Bring your own device. That's optional. BYOD. This position requires you to provide your own equipment and workspace. Computer will provide equipment. That's what it says right up here, but it can be an option that you can use your own equipment that you have, your personal equipment that you have. Okay, this is the requirement for the internet connection as well. Still, you have to have a hardwired internet connection is reliable. And the hardware software requirements is processor Intel Core i5 5200 series or greater. Memory 8 gigabytes or Windows 8 or 10, 8.1 and 1064 bits. Screen resolution 2012 is 1280 by 768 or higher. Dual monitors required. USB headset. And then you can click there on the website. When you go to the website or you apply for, you can click on this blue link. It will take you directly to Amazon and show you which type of headphones that you can purchase for this job. And let me see what else. Alright, okay, responsibilities. Up here, no Chromebooks are allowed and netbooks or any type of tablet. Must be a laptop or a desktop. Up-to-date antivirus software must be installed on the platform and a recent scan completed. Will be checked prior to allowing login to system. Firewall must be enabled. Will be checked prior to allowing login to system. Click here for the buy your own device policy for full detailed list of requirements. Alright, have to click here for all the details of your equipment, and it's a handbook. It's 1 to 3 pages long, and it tells you all about the privacy company, access, loss of stolen, hacked, or damaged equipment, and the violations of policy, and all of that great jazz about this great job. And the speed tests can be performed here, and they have an example of what type of headset you can get right there. Once again, device protocols and everything else. Okay, so that right there is all the requirements for that job when you have your own personal computer and you're using it for work purposes for this company. Alright, and then the responsibilities is you will be answering answers, evaluates, and prioritizes requests from customers having questions or experiencing problems with services or products. Facilitates problems recognition, research, isolation, resolution, and follow-up for customer problems. Able to work without a script and maintain call control, log and track customer interaction as required for each client, responds to and resolves open issues in an appropriate time frame, concession of the customer's troubles by recommendation of products, services, or procedures, evaluate of the system's problems to recommend enhancements, ability to multitask using multiple systems pending the client's working environment, skillfully change from one task to another without loss of efficiency or composure, be available at your desk, maintaining punctuality and attendance at all times, scheduled times, remaining positive and professionally in place in all customer interactions, and flexibility to cross-train as requested. And the pays and the benefits are starting pay is at $13 per hour plus shift differential, extra $1 per hour, nights and weekends, and possible increase after 90 days, pending attendance and performance. Shifts between 1:30 p.m. and 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Work days, Monday through Friday, and every other weekend. Day off during the week on weekend rotation. Paid training, typically 2 weeks in length, from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Status, full-time, benefit eligible first of month after 60 days. Click to see benefits at a glance. And these are equal opportunity work employer. This is an equal opportunity work employer job with working with 5-star call centers. And this got posted today. So if you want to, you can go ahead and click on this link right here. It'll take you straight to the job that you can apply for. And you can get that done within a jiffy and get hired. If you have the required skills and you have a mindset of a winner, they will definitely hire you. Okay, and the next job will be, had 2 of these. The second one will be 5-star. It's actually the same exact thing, but I have to set hours down here. And let's see, where is it? Okay, it's a customer support, afternoons and evenings, and you have to have LAN experience and skills, and then it have to be it's a full-time job position. It's paid training, and it goes through what the company is about and what are the job highlights for this job. You have to have 1 year of customer service or customer support experience. It's still based out in North Carolina. 1 year of previous call center or office background experience required. Tech savvy, previous remote work from home experience a plus. Previous remote work from home experience is great to have for this job. If you have it, that's great, but you don't have to have that experience to join this company in this job. Quick learner and able to work independently. Type 35 words per minute accurately. Strong phone and verbal communication skills along with active listening. A background check applicable with state and federal laws is required. Equipment provided is optional. Because the company will provide equipment. This is the first job I discussed with you guys for the product support job that this same exact company has on Indeed.com, and they posted these 2 jobs at the same exact time today. So you can use your personal computer or you can use the company computer, but your computer has to do you have to go through a process. It's a handbook that bring your own device. It has like device protocols that you have to go through. Make sure your computer is up to par for this job. The hardware and the software requirements, and the privacy company access, and the speed test. You have to go through all of these, and they have things that you should know before you bring your own device into this company while working with this company. Because it may be handling sensitive information and everything. They want to make sure that your computer is strong and it has firewalls and everything enabled and everything. So yes, the responsibilities, or in this role you will be taking the lead in addressing customer questions and concerns on all products and services through multiple communication channels such as phone, email, and our chat. And the pay is $13 per hour. And the work hours 1:30 to 12 a.m. and at night. Work days Monday through Friday, every other weekend. Day off during the week when working weekend. Paid training, typically 2 weeks in length from 9 a.m. through 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Full-time benefit eligible first of the month after 60 days. And you have to click to see the benefits on the website. Right here. They'll take you through everything. Those are the benefits for the website for that job. Full-time hourly members will get these benefits. And the third job that I will be briefly discussing is AppleOne. Work from home, $15 to $16 per hour. Must train in person in Athens, Texas for 8 weeks. So if you are a Texas resident, this is perfect for you. Or if you plan on moving to Texas within this time frame, this time frame, and you apply and then you get hired, and you are planning already going on to Texas or about to go. This is a 16-hour and per hour job. It's a full-time position. This is a 401k plan job, and dental insurance you have dental insurance as a benefit, paid training and vision insurance as well. Those are great benefits. Full job description. Now hiring 50 plus customer service representatives to train on site for 8 weeks. So you are given equipment to work fully from home. Therefore, it is required you live within 40 miles tops of Athens, Texas, and have reliable transportation. Training takes place Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And they say paid training is up to $15 if you are bilingual, Spanish and English. $14 per hour English only. After training, earn $15 to $16 $1 per hour increase. Incentive bonus after 3 months on the job, you're awarded a $1,000 bonus in one lump sum. And eligible for benefits, 401k, vision, dental, etc. after 60 days, and bonuses and pay increases over time. So these are requirements. Must be capable of training on site for 8 weeks between 8 a.m. 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. You have to must live within 40 miles of Athens, Texas. And the job review. Answer inbound calls from Texas residents. Reach out to the state of Texas Health and Human Services offices because they need help. They are attempting to apply for state level benefits like food stamps, Medicaid with your help. You answer questions about how to apply and provide application status updates. Please submit your resume to apply or to learn more about this exciting job and career opportunity. They are equal opportunity employers. AppleOne, and yes, apply. Now that'll be all for this video. Good luck, my diamond crew. You got this. Keep sparkling and keep shining. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Good luck. Happy job hunting.